I welcome all of you, those who are targeting Cochin Shipyard Limited exam. Now there is a news for you, and this news is on the basis of the authenticity of this news is on the basis of the mail which one of the students sent to them and got the reply back. So that mail was confirmed by Europedia, and they have responded in the mail. The question asked to Cochin Shipyard Limited was, when will be the exam, when will they conduct the exam? And in the mail they said that exact dates you will soon get on the website, keep seeing the website, but exam will be in the second week of December. Now second week of December can be 8th December onward, it can be 13th of December, 12th of December, anything. So now you assume, as I was telling you, just assume that 20 days, you have 20 more days. After that any time exam can be conducted. So now make entire strategy for 20 days for Cochin Shipyard, and as you know, Europedia is mentoring you through its micro module for this exam. Go for the preparation, go for the strategy. I will discuss the strategy also with you for the next 20 days, but now the time has come to give your best. Assume 20 days and start preparing. And I believe this news looks like authentic. Why? Because I could check the mails and everything, and unless until the people who have mailed this particular thing, they change their exam strategy or something, I believe it can be conducted in December, because yes, that is what they were expecting. So prepare well now. Soon I am coming out with the strategy for 20 days so that we give our preparation a boost. All the very best and keep preparing.